Oh, hey folks, we got our first snowfall of 2024. This storm was supposed to have been so freaking freaky and bad. It started a little while ago. But I think this storm is going to be a fizz. They put a snow emergency in effect. I hope we do get enough snow so I could put that new snowblower to work that I bought from my neighbor next door. Because if I can, then I'll be happy to put it to some good use. Yeah, look at. So that's what's going on. That's our first. This is supposed to be a big storm event, one that's been in the making since 2 years ago. Thank you for watching. Peace out.